Hey, friends, on the Faith Art Journey. You might have noticed that I've been a little quiet around here the past week or so. I really did that on purpose. I just needed to step away from the camera. I needed to pause my to-do lists. And I just took some much needed time to just unwind. I loved doing ABC April and I loved doing Mass Make March, but those two back to back just kind of really caused me to have exhaustion. I got to the point where my creativity was really, I was struggling figuring out what to make and stuff. So I realized when ABC April was over that I was living a life that was more about do. And that's my personality and my style, but that's not healthy and that's not the way I want to live right now. So this past week, I decided I was just going to focus on being still, spending some quiet, unhurried time with Jesus, diving into my Bible, and then letting my heart and mind catch up with my body. Well, today's Wednesday, and my ladies came for Bible study, which we have every single Wednesday morning. And they asked, could we make something fun? And I said, let's make some shaker cards. Remember when I did these in ABC April and I loved them? So we pulled out a bunch of, junk mail envelopes. And I said, okay, let's have fun. And I found that I had this entire drawer full of sequins and glitter and little beads and all that kind of stuff. And then I bought some, in the past couple of months. So I pulled it all out and I made 4 more shaker cards. So I just thought I wanted to show you. This is zero pressure. This was me just playing. And you know what? I had so much fun. I actually felt some joy because we were taking junk mail window envelopes that people throw away. And look what we made. We made these beautiful little fun things. Now, I'm not showing you how to make these because I have a whole video on how to make these and it's linked in the description. It's the S is for shaker card for the ABC April. So it's there if you want to see how fun and easy they are. And first thing I want to tell you, these are a totally different way to do shaker cards. And this is the only reason I did them, because you use a junk mail envelope. When you look up shaker cards on YouTube, you're going to find like 12 steps, and you got to have that special strip tape that's got foam and stuff. And I haven't made one for years because that was just too much work. So when I found this, I just loved this. So look at this one. Isn't this pretty? So what did I use on this? Okay, this is that Tim Holtz tissue paper, and I loved that. And then remember when I got all those, that whole set of fun stuff from Office Supply? This was one of the papers in there, and so I put that on the back, and then I just added that silk flower and, glued it on. This is a pink one, same front. The back is another piece of that kind of paper. And I loved that. And then this is one of the stickers that came in that hole. So there's a whole haul on that video if you want to watch, what I did. These are so much fun to make. And you see, let's see, this is what you can get at Dollar Tree. There's 6 on here. I've already used some of them. So they're $1.25 and you get all these different colors. So get yourself some different colors. Now this is one I made last month, but I never decorated. So I decided, well, let me just decorate it. And it's just so pretty, isn't it? And I made this one last month and put another flower on there. And then I think this one's really pretty. This one, I decided to use washi tape, some of that new washi tape that I got. And then there's another piece of that fun paper, that vintage style paper, and put some flowers on. So now look, I just have some fun things to put that in the middle of there, right? So as I continue to recharge this coming week, if you don't see any videos from me, I really need your prayers. I know that you all appreciate all the work that I put in. Debbie and I are working on something for Faith Journal July. We're going to be doing a study on peace. It's going to be very simple. We're only going to do 4 verses. So we're working on that. We should have that done in the next week or so. So we'll start promoting that in June. So if you want something simple and easy for this summer, look at the July Faith Journal July, and that'll be in my Facebook group. And then I'll have a series of videos, and so will Debbie from Pouring My Art Out for the Lord. So I just wanted to come share with you the fun little thing that I made today. And if you feel like making something, like I said, watch the video. Maybe you got lots of sequins and beads and stuff like that, and just have fun. So thanks for joining the Faith Art Journey with me. And I love all of your comments and your prayers and your support. Till next time.